First question, expand and simplify 2x plus 3p to the power of 2. Second one, given that the same expression is equals to 4x squared minus 36x plus 81, find the value of p. Alright, now for the first question, we just need to employ our special products formula. So a plus b squared is just a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Alright, so now we have 2x plus 3p squared. We do the same thing. Please be careful, put a bracket for 2x. Everything must be squared there. So 2 times 2x and then the 3p is there. Again, 3p, everything must be squared as well. Alright, common mistake made by students is that they will actually just do this. They will forget to put the square to the 2. It's not fair. You need to put the square everywhere. Alright, so this becomes 4x squared plus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12px. Okay, 3 square as well, that will be 9p squared. Okay, so this is our expanded version for part A. Now for part B, we have this. Okay, and we already expanded this part, so we'll use this answer and replace it over here. So 4x squared plus 2, 4x squared plus 12px plus 9p squared equals to 4x squared minus 36x plus 81. Same items, 12p compared with negative 36 is the coefficient of x over here and over here. They have to be the same. So 12p is equals to negative 36. We can straight away find p already. Negative 3. Okay, so p is just negative 3 and this is our final answer. And to do a quick check, you can also compare the constants. 9p squared will be equals to 9 times negative 3 squared. 9 times 9 indeed is equals to 81 as well. So our answer of b is negative 3 is correct.